Hey guys, welcome to Inside the House. We're going to take you inside of our dealership, and more specifically our service department, and show you what we got going on in the shop and give you tips and pointers to ensure your riding season is successful and enjoyable. We want to do this to provide you, the viewer, the rider, our customers, kind of a behind-the-scenes look, what it takes, one, to do the jobs that we do, but two, to give you a little bit of confidence in our skills, but as well as yours. If you want to tackle some of the stuff in your garage, maybe we can give you that extra pointer, that extra tip that ensures you're doing the repairs or the services properly. We go to a private shop, they don't have that barn shield sitting out front. They don't have the factory backing that we have. We've got Harley-Davidson supplied special tools that only we have access to. We've got diagnostic equipment that is updated daily, weekly, monthly to make sure that anything that we are trying to fix is taken care of. And if we don't do it the first time right, we will do whatever it is or whatever it takes in our power to get it right the second time. That's our promise. From our drivers to our detailers, if there's a bike that's stranded, we're going out of our way to make sure we pick you up, get you back on the road in a timely fashion. If that bike comes in, it's getting a wash when it's done. And if a wash is not enough, our detailing department is happy to make sure that the chrome and the paint on that motorcycle shining, looking like new. We rest on our morals that we treat everybody the same and give everybody a great experience. It's what the brand has been built on, and it's what we ourselves feel like we do and strive to do every day. Please do us a huge favor, like the video, send us a comment below. What do you want to see in future episodes? And then also subscribe to this page and make sure that you don't miss a future episode. We've got some really cool stuff that we're going to show you coming up in the next couple weeks, so we don't want you to miss it. I'm Alex, House of Harley. See you next time.